No, 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 no. No, no, no!
Don't eat them all.
I can't.
And she puts it back together.
It looks like a cookie.
See, you can't even tell it was torn in half.
And ripped to pieces.
Yeah, it's all good.
It's all good, man.
It's all good now.
It's all good.
Because, you know, we're cool like that.
That one was ripped too. No, it wasn't. That one wasn't.
That one was.
No, it wasn't. Yes, it was. I can't even tell. Oh, it wasn't. Now you can tell. No, you can't. What happens?
So how many go to Alan Jackson?
There's 11 now.
11.
Besides that one. No, there's 10. High speed camera chase. Oh, whoopsie. I forgot to hold the camera.
I'll just spit on the camera.
Now
How
we'll
about
have 5 for them and 5 for Justin's not gonna eat any.
that? Awesome. Possum. Cherry blossom.
That's Kaylee's. So, these 3 are for Justin, these 3 are for Jackson, and these 3 are for Alan.
Awesome.
I'm switching Alan's with that one.
Okay.
These are some distorted cookies.
I know, they're all like gay.
Like your face.
Like your face.
It's because I'm not woken up yet. At noon.
Yeah, this isn't going anywhere.